If you've been having a lot of trouble with your Samsung SSDs, having problems like corrupt files, disconnects, and a lot of the issues that people are having, especially with this T7, the Shield version, these cables tend to be a lot looser than they are on their other external SSDs. I don't know why it's a problem with this, but I've had a few of these, and back in around 22, when I first got one, 2022, it had the same issue with being loose, and tried a couple of others in returning them, and almost all of them had the same issue, some a little tighter than others. But this one's was made in 2024, and they still have that same issue. So when you plugging these in, they click into place, but the cable doesn't hold very well. So just at least a little bit of shaking and they can come loose. And that looseness, even though you push it in as tight as you can, just at least a little bit of jarring can cause problems with it. And that can cause your files to go corrupt, a lot of disconnects from your computer, that sort of thing. And you can try other cords. Some cords fit better than others. Actually, most of them are looser than the one that comes with the original Samsung cord with it. This one is a little bit tighter, but still not as tight as it should be in there. It doesn't take a whole lot of moving around and it comes loose. So if you're using it on a laptop or something like that that sort of gets shuffled around a bit, it doesn't take much to pop these loose, and it can cause all kinds of troubles, cause you to lose files, cause computer glitches, that sort of thing. And that just the cord itself is causing a lot of people to have problems down the road by losing files. So one thing you can do if you only have access to the original cord, don't want to do anything, buy anything else and just trial and error to make it stronger. The easiest thing to do with these is just take a couple of rubber bands. It's sort of an odd fix, but it does the trick. If you take two of these and loop it through on each end here, the rubber bands will grab the cords pretty tight with it. So you can just take rubber band like that, you plug this in, just stretch it over, pull that up tight, put it down there. If you put one on each side of the cord, it'll keep it in there and distribute the pressure to keep it from rocking back and forth as much. It'll force it down in there on it and hold it where it can't shake loose. And I've used this carrying them around, plugged in the stuff, and this is enough to keep that cord from coming out. It keeps it from shifting back and forth. And a lot of times, you know, you'll see just a quick disconnect if the cord comes out, and a lot of times that won't cause an issue. But what'll really give you corrupt files and problems down the road is when this just rattles slightly in there, it kicks in and out. And it can also be partially some of the cause for the overheating people are having with some of these. When this flicks in and out like that, it causes heat at the connection, and it can cause it to have some problems with it heating up and disconnecting, that sort of thing. So just simple little rubber band fix on there will hold that in there tight enough to keep you from having those issues. So I would probably consider going up to their T9 version if you can afford it. The T9 has a tighter connection. I've tried a few of those, and every one of them sticks in here and holds way better. But if you have some of these laying around and are having issues with them, that rubber band trick will usually get you by on it. So if this helped you out at all, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.